more rust and paint, but it was mine. Bench seat torn on the driver's side, radio worked about half the time. It knew the road to every party, every fishing hole and football game. If that old dashboard could have talked, it could have ruined half our names. That truck saw my first real heartbreak, parked outside her house too long. Saw me beat that steering wheel when I heard our favorite song. It hauled boxes to my first place, then carried half of them back again. Never asked why I was leaving, just fired up and took me in. That truck knew everything, every secret, every dream, every never again I swore, every girl I couldn't leave. It heard prayers nobody heard, and words I'd never say out loud. That old truck knew everything, and somehow never let me down. Years later there was a car seat strap where beer cans used to roll. Little handprints on the window changed something in my soul. Suddenly I drove a little slower, checked the mirrors twice as much. Funny how a beat-up pickup can watch a boy grow up. Eventually the frame gave out, more repair than it was worth. Man came by with a trailer and offered what he thought was fair. I watched those taillights disappear like an old friend leaving town. You think it was just metal, but it sure didn't feel that way. That truck knew everything, every secret, every dream, every never again I swore, every girl I couldn't leave. It heard prayers nobody heard, and words I'd never say out loud. That old truck knew everything, and somehow never let me down. Maybe every man has something that watched him become who he became. Mine had 4-ball tires, a cracked windshield, and a Chevrolet name. That truck knew everything, from 17 to 20-something, from chasing Friday nights to bringing babies home on Sunday. It carried every version of me until the wheels couldn't turn around. That old truck knew everything, and I still miss it now. Sometimes I swear when the night gets still, I hear that old V8 beyond the hill. That truck knew everything,